So it's good concept here, no? So today we'll go to the data warehouse concept. So what do you know about data warehouse?
I don't know. We don't know the exact definition for data warehouse.
Okay.
Like the data flows from source to staging, and then data warehouse will come.
So actually, in any business,
Large volumes of data will be stored in a data warehouse.
exactly. So if you take the SBI example, SBI having the different types of branches in different locations. Okay. So in this every different branch having their own database. So finally, SBI CEO or someone want to analyze this total credits or debits into the bank in the last month. So for that, so these are all the databases. This is one database. This is one database. So likewise, it have different types of databases. And for analytical purpose, they are using one data warehouse. So this is data warehouse. This is data warehouse. Okay. So in between, so this data is going to load into the data warehouse. Database data is going to load into the data warehouse. Okay. So this process we can call it as a this database side process is called as a OLTP. OLTP means online transactional processing. Why? Because day by day transactions are going to perform. So day by day operations. So now if we take today data is going to store into the database. And yesterday data is there. So likewise, day by day transactions, withdrawals and credits, debits, everything, it will be stored into the database. Okay. So here in data warehouse, we can call it as a OLTP, online analytical processing. By the name itself, it is a analytical. This data warehouse is used for analysis. So who will go into analyze the thing means the SBI CEO. Okay. So for that, here they will use data warehouse. It is large in value and it having different types of data marts. Data marts are there into databases. So what this data mart means? It is a subset of databases. So if you take one college, in the college having different types of departments. Likewise, if you take the data warehouse, it is having different types of data marts. For example, for credit operation, credit, for debits, accounts. So different types of marts are available. Okay. So finally, so they will use some reporting tools here. Some reporting tools, and they will take the data from credits. They will take the data from debits. They will take the data from accounts also. And finally, they will they will see the reports. So whether it is increasing, but what it is, accounts, credits or debits are increasing, decreasing, everything they will see at last. So this portion we are calling as a reporting, analytical thing. Okay. So this will be
Data mining.
These will be generated by using the BI, business intelligence, or So now we are using the tool Power BI, right? Power BI. So by using Power BI concept, we can analyze the uh, results, analyze the things. Okay. So here in between database and data warehouse, one concept will come, that is a ETL concept. So what this ETL will going to do? What is meaning of ETL? Extraction, transformation, and loading. It extracts the data from different types of homogeneous or heterogeneous data from different locations and transform the data according to the business logic. So business logic means as per mapping document and store the data into the data warehouse or staging first. Store the data into the data warehouse or staging first. Then it will go to another and it will go to here or here or here. So like this. So this OLTP is mainly used for the transactional purpose, day-to-day activities, but OLAP means it is used for the analytical purpose. Okay. So why we are using all these reports means for improving their business. They want to maintain, they want to do some strategies for improving their business. If you take the retail
Decision making.
decision making, retail market. So they will use some different types of things, different types of methods. So that is a big concept. Data mining concepts are there. So they will use that concepts as well. Okay, like that. This is the total structure of databases, data warehouse, and data marts and reporting. So now why they are asking about the knowledge of reporting is because of this. Finally, they want to analyze the data by using reporting tools. Okay, that is the concept. So here, data modeling is there. So this data modeling is like in the form of schemas. In data warehouse, it is in the form of schemas, like fact what it is. Fact schema, snowflake schema, and galaxy schema. Different types of schemas are there. Fact schema means only one fact table is there, one fact table, and so many dimension tables are there. That is called fact schema. Snowflake schema means two fact tables are there, and so many dimension tables are there. So these dimensions are in the form of normalized manner. So just you already remember that it is having fact schema, snowflake schema, and galaxy schema. Galaxy schema means so many fact tables, so many dimension tables. It is like galaxy. That is the knowledge about data warehousing and data modeling.
These all are in the data warehouse, like fact schema, what you said,
Yes.
snowflake.
Already we did the mini project in this. So finally, we are dealing with the dimension. Dimension means dimension table. So
Yes.
dimensions are there. So we deal with the 4 dimensions, 4 or 5, whatever it is, 4 dimensions, and we are having one fact table. And this fact is connected to this dimension, this dimension, this dimension, this dimension. So how it's look like? It is look like a star, right? Like this. So we can call it as a star scheme. One fact, and with so many dimensions, we can call it as a star scheme. So that is the concept of data warehouse. and Informatica. So already you know about the Informatica. Why we are using Informatica? So I told you that. So in between this database and data warehouse, we need to clean the data. We need to change the data according to the requirement. We need to do some different types of transformations for getting the required results. So that is the concept of ETL. So this is the ETL is a concept. By achieving this ETL, we are using different types of tools. So Informatica is one of the tools. So like Informatica, we have different types of tools. Many tools are there. Do you know what is the different tools? Like Informatica, we have different tools. What are the different tools? Query search is one of the tools. And I think talent, right? Talent, something is there. So different types of tools are there. So but now what we are using Informatica for this concept, ETL concept, extraction, transformation, and loading. Okay.
Okay.
Is it okay? Are we understanding or not?
I understand, Shiva. But I have one doubt how to explain the data warehouse in the interview.
Data warehouse is also kind of database, but very what it is huge in volume, and it is used for analysis. It is also called as a OLAP, online analytical processing, and it contains the data marts. Data mart is a subpart of data warehouse. So by using these data marts, we can analyze the data using reporting tools.
If you see the architecture, you will come to know more about that.
Yeah.
Oh,
So in that bottom up, top up, top down, bottom up approaches also there. So in that top down means first of all it will go to data warehouse, and then after it will split the data into data marts. That is top down.
mm.
Bottom up means it will first of all it will go to the data marts, then it will plug as a data warehouse. Now nowadays we are using bottom up. Okay, this is the answer. Now we go to the filter. I want to discuss about the filter today. So what do you know about filter? Filter transformation, I know. So what is the purpose of filter
Not
transformation?
clear, Shiva. Your voice is breaking.
What is the?
Now it's working.
Your voice is breaking, Shiva.
Again. Hello.
Hello.
Is it clear now?
Now it is clear.
Okay. So in Informatica, today I want to discuss about the filter. I want to know something about the filter. So can you see what is the purpose of filter transformation in Informatica?
To filter out the rows using a condition. It is
Exactly.
a active transformation.
Yeah.
Yes, to filter out unnecessary records.
Okay. So filter transformation is used to filter out the rows in mapping. The filter transformation allows the rows that meets the filter condition to pass through and drops the rows that do not meet the condition.
Okay.
It is an active transformation, right? Default.
Hmm. Hmm.
So next one is, so can we specify more than one filter condition in filter transformation?
If we want to specify more than one condition, we have to use and or operators.
No.
No, we have to
One.
use router.
Yes, that is correct. We can't specify one condition in the filter, more than one condition in the filter. It is only for one condition. If you want to use more than one condition,
Yeah.
means you can go to router.
Yeah, but we are using two conditions and placing and or in between
That,
the
that
two
is
conditions.
also one condition.
One condition only.
Yes.
If we place an or, it takes either first condition or second condition. No, in that case, we are taking two conditions by placing or in between the two
No, that is
conditions.
also comes under one condition. That is also comes
We are
under one.
taking or and between the columns, not for the conditions. We are
Here
taking
it
this column or that column like that.
Yeah.
okay, it checks both the conditions when we give like that. Here default rows will not
It,
come.
it, it will check both
There
conditions.
default rows will come.
Yeah, exactly. In router, we have one input group, more than one output group, and one default group. Here, it's not like that.
Mm.
Okay. Next question is, in each case, a filter transformation acts as a passive transformation. By default, it is a what it is. It is an active transformation. What we are learning, but in some time it will act as a passive transformation also. What is that condition? What is that situation?
When we give non-zero values like one, any number, 1/2 like that, which is true,
Yeah.
then at that time
if
it can
you
act
give-
as a passive transformation.
So here,
Hello?
Hello.
Voice is breaking. Shiv.
No. Hello. Am I able to hear you?
Huh.
So here in filter, I'm going to the properties and filter condition. If I'm putting this filter condition true means it will act as a passive without changing anything. If I'm simply leaving this one means it will act as a passive. Or else if I use 1 or 100 or any number, so 1 or 100 or any number, it will act as a passive. Am I audible to you or not?
Yes, audible.
Audible.
But it is slightly breaking.
Yeah. So next one. So how to filter null values?
How to?
How to filter null values?
Null
Sorry.
column name.
Hello?
Is it okay? No?
Okay.
Okay. So tell me that syntax.
By
If we
using is null function.
Yeah, tell me the what it is. Entire thing. If and only if is null,
If and only if is null of column name,
salary, for example,
salary,
comma, false, comma, true.
true.
I think if is not required, Shiva, is null of salary,
If, if
is
needed,
null of salary is enough, no?
if needed, we are checking if it is true or false, like that. We are checking here, right?
If we give like this, if it is false, then not null values will come. Otherwise,
So
null
you
values if
can
is
give
null of
like this,
salary.
or like this. If you want to take the condition, true or false, you have to give like this.
In
If we want the salary
second
column is
condition,
null,
it will show else part.
Yeah. Else part also.
Else part. There
Here,
we are not
what is the
displaying.
meaning means if the salary is null means it won't that is it won't permit to allow it won't permit to next target. The rows are going to reject here. The rows are going to filter.
okay, only null values will go to the target.
No, if it
No,
is
no, false. He has given false.
if it is null means it won't go to target.
It will
False.
false. If we write true,
True
then
means
it will
it will
goes
go.
to.
First true means second false means
It
what?
is same as if else condition in C or C++.
Yes.
Same.
So like that. Okay. Next question
Okay,
is
if it is false means it won't go to the target. If it is true, it will go to the target.
Not like that actually. If is null of salary after that, if we give true means, yeah, that condition will be go and here
I'll give the
what we
clarity.
will give.
I'll give the clarity. Here salary is there. Salary. First one, second one, null. Third one. Sixth one. So first one, it will check. It will check first one. Salary first one. Is null of salary?
No.
False.
False. Means it will go to target first one. Next two, it will check. Is null of two?
If the condition
Is null of two?
False.
It will go. Null. Is null of null? Is null of null? Null is equal to null.
yeah, yes,
Yes means it is false. False means it won't allow. This row won't allow to the next here. Next 6. Is null of 6?
no.
No. It will go to true. True means here 6 will come. Like this.
Okay.
Okay. Clear or any doubt? You take one table.
Clear.
You take one table and apply this condition filter and see the result.
Okay.
Okay. So next question is, what are the different ways to filter rows using Informatica transformations? I'm not asking about the filter transformation. I'm asking about the ways of filtering, different ways of filtering in the Informatica transformations. There are several transformations out there to filter out the rows. So first one is filter is one of the transformation to filter out the rows. Okay, filter is one of the transformation.
Hmm.
So is there any
Rotor.
router is there?
Expression also.
Expression. No.
It will do only calculations.
Yes. Joiner. So why? Because we are using inner join, left and right join. So in Informatica, we are using master join, detail join.
Okay.
Okay. So at the time, we are filtering some rows.
Mm.
That means lookup also will filter out.
Lookup also,
Lookup also will act as a left outer join.
but where we are using the filtering in lookup?
I mean, a
Yeah,
joiner is also
lookup
a
means
filter.
lookup means it will check the what it is condition. They, like customer one equal to customer one. In that will give the condition, right? Then only it
Hmm.
will allow to something. So they just for
In
the time.
joiner also we have to give condition.
Okay. Okay, we'll see that. You are saying lookup, right?
Hmm.
We'll see.
Hmm.
So next source qualifier. How to achieve this filter using source qualifier?
In the
Source
SQL
qualifier
query, we
properties.
can write the
Yes, exactly. So this is all the things about filter transformation. I think it's enough. Is there anything need to discuss?
What about this minus those
Minus
things? Intersect minus
union,
union.
union arm. In, they will discuss that one. We're asking about filtering, right?
I'm asking those will not filter out the rows. I'm asking that one.
Yeah, they will filter, but where we are using that union arm means for the different table. Two tables are there. If I have, I need to use union all to club the two tables data into one table.
in the Oracle, right? We will use this.
In Oracle, and here also we have the union transformation, right? Here union transformation is equal to the Oracle union all transformation.
Okay.
Okay, Oracle union all transformation means, so for example, I have two tables. So in the first table, I have 30, 30 rows. Second table, I have 20. So if you use the union all, totally 50 will come with the duplicates.
Okay.
Union all. If you use the union only means maybe it will come 45. Remaining files are duplicates.
Shiva, we are talking about union or union all.
So this is union all.
Here in
Okay.
Informatica, we have only union transformation,
This is union.
isn't it?
These both are Oracle. Which both are Oracle. But if you come to Informatica union transformation is here. Okay. So Informatica union transformation is equal to Oracle union.
Okay.
Means it will allow the duplicates. Union transformation allow the duplicates. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear, Shiva.
It is active or passive transformation, Shiva?
What? Union?
Passive.
Yeah, union is the passive.
Because it is not changing the number of records coming from source to the target.
For nothing. It is using for clubbing. That's all.
It just appends the records first table and
Yeah,
second.
we discussed it here in indirect file method. Alternative method is a union transformation. Okay, what is the purpose of union transformation? It is going to club all the files, source files. That's all. So I hope you learned something from my sessions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but how can I view that videos? Can you give me the solution?
Which videos?
These videos.
These recorded sessions.
Yeah.